Idol Ramayana Telugu movie summary. The film is set against the backdrop of the Rama Navami festival. Bhujanga is a businessman who returned from Gulf is highly respected in his hometown. Bhujanga has invested in a small commercial property next to his house, which he has let out to the shopkeepers, and except one of his shops lies vacant. He is short-tempered and doesn't want his daughter to study further and wants her to get married. His anger increases when his daughter is arrested for staging a protest. During the time he meets his friends every evening inside the vacant shop and they bond every night over a few drinks. Bhujanga sees a prostitute Sushila and wants to bond with her. However, despite his intentions, Bhujanga gets scared, fearing that his reputation will be tarnished. During one such evening, Shiva, an auto-rickshaw driver and a friend of Rajiva, brings the prostitute and locks her along with Bhujanga inside the vacant shop, promising to unlock the shop shutter after they spend some time together inside the locked shop. Meanwhile, Shiva meets one of his passengers, a film director, who had forgotten his bag in Shiva's auto-rickshaw that morning. Shiva told him he saw the bag, but he had left that inside the locked shop shutter, and that he will go back and get the bag and come. Director, on knowing that he would get his bag back, celebrates by offering a couple of drinks to Shiva. However, both get into trouble with the cops for drunken driving and fails to return that night to open the shutter as promised to Bhujanga. They both get released in the morning as Inspector Ramdas is a good friend of the director. But Shiva could not come to unlock the shutter that night as well due to certain circumstances. This way Bhujanga and Sushila are forced to spend a couple of nights together inside the locked shutter waiting for Shiva's return to unlock it. Trapped inside the shutter, Bhujanga, through what he hears from outside, learns many lessons about the real face of people who he had earlier considered as friends and foes, and his attitude about many things in life changes. His initial disgust towards Sushila's apparent lack of manners also slowly goes away as he realizes she is a good soul after all. In the end, somebody unlocks the shutter and they both come out from the shutter. But they don't see anyone around and do not understand who opened the shutter. Bhujanga is confused and he goes into a home where he learns from his daughter that she had her friend open the lock. She indicates she knows everything but did not reveal it to everyone and trusts that her father is a good man whatever may happen. Bhujanga is moved by this and his experiences inside the shutter, and he decides to postpone his daughter's marriage and allow her to study. The director is seen to have got back the script from Sushila, while not explicitly revealing how they are related, as Sushila had earlier found the script inside the bag inside the shutter. But he decides to make a film on her incidents which happened in the shutter.